Today we will learn a Manglorean delicacy which is made out of jackfruits. It's known as Jackfruit Pancakes aka Manglorean Phansa Polo. Ingredients required are 1 cup of grated coconut, 1 cup of rice, like so, a tablespoon of jaggery, ghee for greasing and some cardamom. Soak rice in water for about an hour and thereafter it softens like so. In the grinder, mix all the ingredients like freshly grated coconut, some jaggery, a pinch of cardamom and of course 1 cup of water. And the hero, jackfruit. After grinding coarsely, add some water to suit this kind of consistency. Mix well. Here's the consistency. On the hot pan, pour a dollop full of our batter and let it cook. Grease it with some clarified butter or ghee and carefully flip. Ooh, so yummy! Our delicious jackfruit pancakes aka Phansa Polo are ready. If you enjoyed watching, which we hope you did, do not forget to in fact do like, share, subscribe and of course hit the bell icon of Yummy Culture.